This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. A really pretty updated furnished end condo with a screened lanai that was redone in 2022 and sellers installed an accordion shutter on kitchen window. Other major improvements are air conditioner system installed in 2021 West/Halo LED light, new vents in kitchen and guest bath. A Wi-Fi thermostat was installed West/direct wiring to system, therefore no battery to replace. White kitchen cabinets West/Corian counters and new garbage disposal installed in 2022. Master bath vanity new in 2024. Both exterior doors replaced with glass inserts. Back door is hurricane-proof West/custom blind installed in 2024. Open patio West/hedge that offers privacy while sitting and enjoying nature. Sellers installed an attic cover tent over the opening of the pole downstairs in order to maintain cooler temps throughout the condo. Hurry, call now. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.